Hello friends, peace be upon you. My attempt is to introduce you to software that can edit images in a few clicks. That means, you have to do very little work yourself. Or, there are some images that you don't have to work with at all. This is a software that I have opened here in front of you. We will see what features this software has. And, what can this software do in just one click? So, let's start the video. This is an image I have opened here. But, you can see below that, there are two images. So, first we'll work on the scenery. On the left, you will see Smart Presets. It has Radiant Photo Pro and Radiant Photo Subtle. Here we will select Radiant Photo Pro. After that, select Auto Radiant and click on Detect. This software will automatically detect that it is a scenery. Then there are the presets below. Here we expand the Radiant Landscape. You can see that there are many presets within Radiant Landscape. Suppose we click on the Magic Hour. This preset will have an immediate effect on your image. Click on the blue sky to see its effect on the image. Morning coffee, and similar, picture postcard. And, you can see the before and after of any preset you apply. Here, you see three options at the top, which is a quick edit, detailed edit, and color grade. If we click on quick edit, so you can see that this preset has adjusted these sliders on its own. But here, if you think the colors are too rich, you can reduce them. The strength of the colors can be increased or decreased in the same way. You can adjust the exposure up or check low, medium and high. That means, you only have to work in clicks. You can adjust the light diffusion in the same way. If the image is too vibrant, you can adjust it by using the slider to reduce it. So, this image was before the up and this image is after. Here, you will see numerous presets. You can use them as if your image is a scene or it is a human image. You can use these presets on all kinds of images. Now, if you click on the detailed edit, you will see more options, which has eye, face, skin and makeup. And obviously, these are options for the human image. But, you see two tabs at the top. The second tab is for adjustments only. You can crop the image, rotate it, and change the position of the before and after slider. Tone is enable, and its sliders are automatically adjusted. The color sliders are also automatically adjusted. The sliders are also adjusted in the details. If you feel that the sharpening is too much, you can reduce it. Then click on the color grade tab. And here you will see two options. Here you will find a graduated filter. Here in shape you will get the effect of radial gradient. And, by clicking on it, it will be applied to the image in something like this. That is, this is a simple vignette effect. And, then if we select color grading. So, you will find numerous presets here for color grading. Suppose I open the stylized color here. If I click on bright blue day, it will be applied to the image. Similarly, if I open vintage, and if I click on 1975, it will be applied to the image. I undo each filter after applying it. Whenever you click on a preset, all its sliders are automatically adjusted. One of these presets is Radiant Essentials. And, in it I click on Balanced. So, this will balance the colors of your image. And I find this filter more suitable. Clicking on Boost Color will boost all colors. Similarly, Fill Flash then increase details. This will enhance all the details of the image. And so this image is before and this is after. You can click on Save here. Or you can also save from the top right corner. In saving one photo, you will find same folder as the original by default. Or you can choose a separate folder from here. In naming your photo, you can name your image. You can check the file settings in the same way. You can reduce the image from here. You can select an image for email or Facebook. But 10 megapixels is set by default. And then, I can save the image. After this, it will process the files. And after being saved, you will get a message saying, Done here. After saving, I opened the images to display. This is the original image, and this image after processing. You can see that the detail of everything is much clearer and more prominent after processing. And, along with this, the colors of the image have also been adjusted. Now, we will work on another image, which is a human image. After clicking Detect, it automatically selected people. If you zoom in and look at the image, you can see pimples or black spots. Here if we expand the Radiant Portrait and click on Clear Skin in it, now you can clearly see the difference between before and after. Similarly, click on Balanced Portrait to see. Then click on Balance Portrait Plus and see. Once applied, this preset will completely smooth out the image's skin. This means you only have to complete your work with clicks. Then if you click on the Color Grade tab. So, I've already mentioned that Color Grade has its own presets. Second tab is for adjusting brightness and contrast. If we click on the Detailed Edit tab. So, in the adjustments you get tone, color, and details. We click on the Human Adjustments tab. It has already selected the face. We expand the options for eyes. So, you can further enhance the eyes with this slider. You can enlarge the eyes. And, if there are dark circles, you can remove them too. If you expand the face option, it has face contouring. Teeth whitening can make your teeth whiter. And you can see the before and after image. You can see that it has whitened her teeth. After expanding the Skin tab, you can increase or decrease the skin smoothness. That is, it is a way of adjusting oneself. And, from the Blemish Removal slider, you can adjust the Blemish Removal option from here. You can see that we have manually reduced the skin smoothness a little. If there is extra shine on the face, you can remove it with the Shine Removal slider. Look at the original image, some areas have more shine. With the help of this slider, we have reduced this excess shine. And, then there's the Makeup option. You will find skin tones in makeup. The skin tones in this image are fine, there's no need to change them. But, if the skin tones of your image require a change, you can change them. If you want to apply blush on the image, you can do that too. You can see that he has added a blush effect to the image. This means you can adjust your image with just a few clicks. If it's a human image, you can adjust its skin tones and colors. And, it will be done in just clicks. You have to do very little manual work. After installing the software, go to its About section and check it out. This software is Radiant Photo. I installed this application as a standalone, but it is plugins enabled. If you also select Photoshop during installation, it can also be installed as a Photoshop plugin. So, you can open Photoshop and use this software from there too. And you can also use this software as a standalone application. In this case, you don't need to open Photoshop. It is up to you to use this software as a standalone or plugin. You will love this software for photo editing and color grading. And if you liked this video about software, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.